How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So you won't need any skill, as I said, and you just hire the freelancers in Fiverr to deliver all of the services that you will offer to the clients for you. So let's get started, guys. And here, go to your Chrome or whatever browser you'd like to use. Then go to the search of the browser, type the United States, and here you will have the country. Then zoom on it. This is the best country you can work this method on, because it's the best market we can do this in. It's not like the other markets. So here, just zoom in on the country and choose the city that you want to apply the method to. So here, in today's video, I'm going to choose Montana here, Montana State, and I'm going to choose Lewistown, for example. So here, let's zoom on it. Let's zoom in and go to the search again and choose whatever small business you'd like, whatever kind of small businesses you'd like. For example, let's choose plumbers. So let's search for plumbers, for the closest plumbers in this area, and here you will see that we have a list of a lot of plumbers in here. So basically, make sure to choose just the plumbers that has less than 100 reviews in their profiles, and the best ones to choose is the ones that don't have a website. So the website, you will find it here next to directions. So make sure they don't have a website, because we're going to offer that service as well to those small businesses. So here, let's check this business profile first. So here, its name is Judith Mountain Plumbing, and they've got 13 reviews. So let's check if we can find a bad review that we can use to convince them to buy our service, which is removing bad reviews from Google Maps profiles. So here, let's scroll down. Here we have just 5-star reviews. Click on more reviews to see if we can find a bad review in here. Let's scroll down. So I think this one doesn't have any bad reviews, but even though, we can call him or check the phone number if he has any WhatsApp account registered in this number. Then we can send him a message asking if he needs a website or someone to create a website for him. Then we move on to the next plumber, and let's see if this one has any bad reviews that we can remove for him. So here, let's scroll down, click on more reviews, and this is one. It's 3 stars. The sun came out, did a bunch of a PCP piping and put in a vanity, did a great job, had a problem 2 weeks later, no water in the bathroom, called, no resolve, thought he should have backed his work, paid $1,500. So this is a review that the business owner would like to remove, because it's gonna make his reputation look bad, and it's gonna make his business look bad. So you will just need to screenshot the review, or you can just copy it and then call the business owner, or you can send him a message saying that I've checked your profile in Google Maps, and I noticed that you have a bad review, and make him be aware of the problem he has. Tell him that those bad reviews will make his reputation look bad, will prevent him from getting more clients, and say that you can solve that problem for him. You can remove the bad review for him for $200 only. Then you will take, when you get paid by the business owner, you will just go to Fiverr.com, which is the platform we're going to use to find freelancers that are going to do the job for us. So here you'll go to Fiverr.com and go to the search, type reviews, Google Maps reviews, or Google Maps in general. Then you will find a lot of freelancers that can do that particular job for us for less than what we've got paid from the business owner. So for example, you're going to pay this freelancer $25 to do the job instead of you, and you will get to keep $175. And then you can multiply and do the same method again on the other plumbers. And you can also switch the businesses from plumbers to hairdressers, for example, or hair salons. So here let's see the hair salons that are available in this area. So here we have a lot of hair salons. As you can see, we can check the first one, and the same thing again, check for the bad reviews that they've got. So let's scroll down. Here we have a bad review. My stylist was extremely rude and continued to rip out my dripping wet hair and said the hair coming off the brush was from breakage. No, it's from you ripping my hair out. The haircut was okay. I'm not super displeased with it, but I'm so upset with the way she talked to me about my hair, as if I don't know what the texture and health of my own hair is. I have fairly healthy hair. So this is another bad review that we can remove for the business owner. So you can just contact them, and again make sure to take a screenshot of the review and make sure to let them be aware of the situation they've got here, the problem that this review would make them. So here we have another bad review. Went to get a trim with layers, and once I got home I realized my hair looked terrible from the back. I have two separate layers in my hair and it looks like my hair is butchered. I'm going to have to cut 2 or 3 inches off to fix it. Really upsetting. She was sweet though. Photos posted. So here you can take a screenshot of this review as well. Another bad review. So this business owner or this salon has a lot of bad reviews, as you can see. I've counted 4 for now. So that's a lot to help us convince the business owner to purchase our service. So I think guys you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.